Good morning, people of God. I am Evangelist Olukayode Motosho Olanrewaju, Honorable Warfare. The Lord deposited something in my heart about divine positioning, which I will quickly be sharing with you and be blessing you along with. In the book of Genesis, chapter 45, from verse 1 to the end. But I was speaking from verse 4 through 5, which says, And Joseph said unto his brethren, Come near to me, I pray you. And they came near, and he said, I am Joseph your brother, which you have sold out to Egypt. Number 5. Now therefore be not grieved, nor angry within yourself, that ye sold me out. For God did not send me before you to preserve my life. Note something in the life of Joseph, irrespective of the dream of his vision, that God has showed it to him. There's something I understand there. If he had not passed through all the phases he passed through in life, there's 100% assurance that he might not get there by putting him into the pit, selling him out, and finding himself in a prison. God has where he has positioned him to. And before he can get there, he must pass through them one after the other for him to be able to get to where he has positioned him to. For many of you that are looking at me, that stage you are passing through is part of where God has positioned you to. If you did not pass there, there's 100% assurance you are not getting to where you're going to. It's better you don't take any shortcut, because there's no shortcut to where God has positioned you to. The only thing you can do is just keep praying and keep believing in Him. Have faith and let your faith be strong. I pray with you this morning, that place the Lord has deposited, place for you in life, that divine position God has for you, has a plan for you. In the name of Jesus, you will receive it now in the name of Jesus. Where He has planned that you're going to get to your life, I said, I place you there in the name of Jesus. So shall it be. God bless.